Hey guys, Joey here. Did you miss me? I certainly missed you. I am here to do an unboxing of a fabulous new art indie doll called Choo-Chu by a friend of mine, Jean-Philippe I'm gonna butcher it, Primo. I know that's probably not right. Anyways, but he is a fabulous young French-Canadian designer, and he is creating something truly unique and beautiful and fun and interesting, and I'm really excited to share that with you guys today. I have two Choo-Chu dolls. I did open one when I first got her, so that is kind of a faux unboxing, a fake unboxing, but the other one's a real unboxing, and I'll open that one second, so you'll know that's my real reaction to her. But I'm really excited about this and excited to show people these dolls. So without any further ado, I am going to begin with this one, which is the first one that I received. So these are really unique and interesting and mod inspired. I know that he's very inspired by vintage Barbie and by Blythe, and he wanted to create a fashion doll that was unique and not conventionally beautiful. Also something that was artistic and craft, much like how the 60s, they did lots of odd paper mache, women's faces like vases and different things like that, late 60s, early 70s, and Choo-Chu kind of gives me that feel. I really, really enjoy and appreciate her. So, ooh, okay. We're opening the box lid, and these boxes are beautiful. This is the inside of the box, and you can use it as a photo studio, and you can put your Choo-Chu inside and take photos of her, like she's standing in the entryway of her home with a beautiful vase and mirror. And we have a little booklet. This is a pamphlet for Choo-Chu. I think there's a few different versions of this booklet. This booklet that I got with the orange box. And then we have the back. Super cute. And super special. The whole experience is really nice, opening up your own special Choo-Chu. So mine is numbered, this one, she is number 10. I feel really special to have number 10. And I will pull her out. I worked with him and sent him some pictures and some ideas of kind of like how I wanted her skin tone to be and her hair color. He gave me many choices for hair colors, also the dress design, and we worked together, and he's so wonderful. He just talks to you, makes you feel comfortable, talks about ideas, and he shows you what he has and what he can do, and he also gives options. He's just a very kind soul. So here is Choo-Chu. She's fabulous, very cute. And her adorable little painted on pilgrim shoes. Love it. He does all different kinds of styles, like little go-go boots and little like Mary Janes and stuff. This little piece is an extra actually that he created for the doll, an extra hair piece to give her a little oomph, some height. The higher the hair, the closer to God kind of a thing. And this is her stock wig. And then, voila! Her hair caught in her earring a little bit, voila. So she can wear many different wigs and styles, which is very nice. And we're going to undress her. So if anyone has issues with any of that, they can turn the channel now. But as a doll collector, this is always very interesting to me, to see the construction. So I just untied her little net tulle underskirt, and the back of her dress has little pearls and has a hand-stitched loop that goes around them as fasteners. Reminds me a lot of Topper Dawn clothing. Actually, you know what? Barbie did it a few times too, like during the 60s. It just isn't that common, but it did happen. So we will remove her dress nicely. And so we have a marking on her back, Choo-Chu, and she is jointed much like the vintage fashion dolls. She's jointed at the hips, and she's jointed at the arm, and she's jointed at the head. These are made out of resin, and he makes the molds and pours the resin and does all of that at home, much like how I started out. And it gives it a very personal and unique feel and appearance. I am going to reveal the front of her, so look away if you must. But she's very cute. I like the style of her body, and how she's so much different than all the other fashion dolls in her shape. Very, very cute. She's a hippie girl. Very, very small breasted, but very hippie. I really am fascinated by how the construction of this doll took place, the way that he jointed her very much like a vintage Barbie, and it's super sweet. So I'm gonna set her aside for a second, and we are going to look at the other little accessories that she came with. She's feeling a little self-conscious, so she wants me to put her wig back on for this up-close view, so there we go. I don't think her English is very good. She has not spoken to me yet. Okay, so included was a prototype little hat, which is so adorable. And we have little net gloves, as I fell out of my hands. Very cute mod little gloves, and also a hand poured resin mirror. Look at how cute that is, just super sweet. And she has a fantastic stand that he has hand painted. It's a wood stand, and much like a #1 Barbie, she slides onto the pedestal. I'm going to take out her earrings for the moment, just because they're, the way I'm handling her, they're causing problems. So we have the stand, and she has holes on the bottom of both of her feet, but the stand has a place for one to stand, and I'm not exactly sure ever which is the right one, so I just kind of play around with her and stand her, but she does stand on this pedestal. And I wanted to show the size because she's a bigger doll. She's a little bit bigger than a Barbie. So I brought Christy here to kind of give a size comparison. As you can see, her legs are much thicker than a Barbie, and she is slightly taller than a Barbie. And I brought out a Tammy because I feel like she's a little more comparable to Tammy as far as like leg thickness. Once again, she is taller, about half a head taller than Tammy is. But I feel like her proportions are actually closer to Tammy than it is to Barbie. But again, it's unique proportions. So that is Choo-Choo number 1, and I'm really excited to delve into, I mean, she's number 10, but she's number 1 to me. So I'm really excited to delve into the next girl. And I'm trying to do this kind of swift because I don't want you guys to get bored of me talking, and since there's 2 dolls to show, and it takes forever to upload anything to YouTube. So this is the pink box. I already had the yellow version, and so he said, you need a pink. I also have a 3rd doll coming, which I'm very excited about. He has a collection, his blue collection, that's being photographed by Ernesto Padro Campos right now. And as soon as they are being done photographed, she will, and sent back to him, then she'll be sent back to me, or sent to me. And so I'm really excited about that. So here is the pink box again. And let's open it up, and oh. So the inside of this one, mirrored again, and we have cute little candelabra on the side of the mirror, and a little entry table, and a little checkered floor. This is so sweet, very cute. Just all these details, very thoughtful, you know. Oh, so it's a different booklet cover. I think that the inside is the same. And this one, she is, she's earlier than my other one. This one is number 5. So I have 5 and 10, fabulous. Oh, and I'm really excited about this. Oh, she is so freaking awesome. Okay, I've got, looks like her earrings might have come out in the box. I'm gonna set it aside, and I'm gonna get her hair on so you guys can see her in all of her glory first. Actually, you know what? I haven't showed you guys what she looks like laying in her box, and I apologize. So let's do that. So this is number 5, Choo-Choo. And look at this dress. It is vintage Japanese brocade, and it is beautiful. Look at how beautiful that is, and her coloring. I love her pale skin, since my other girl is more of a tan Malibu type. She is ultra pale, and I love that. A little bit of a close-up of her. There we go. And the dress is just so sweet. And she has little go-go boots, little purple go-go boots with silver detail. And again, the little pearl closures on the back of her dress. And peeking out, you can see her little Choo-Choo logo peeking out in the back there. And then she has, they'll have painted hair, really artistically and beautifully done, all hand painted, and she is so cute. I'm not going to take her clothes off because you have already seen what Choo-Choo's body looks like, but let's go through and look at her little accessories. I'm just seeing one earring. I'm gonna have to look through the shredded paper in the box and see if the other one is there. So here is her little purse. That is so, look at how cute that is. He does all this by hand, and he's even got the little clear rubber band attached so you can put it around her wrist so she can carry her cute little mod purse. And then once again, beautiful resin mirror of a different design. Very, very cute. Oh, sturdy, it doesn't break, don't worry. Oh good, there's her other earring. So she has these really cute little shell, just round little shell earrings. And I'm glad the other one was in there because I was concerned a little bit. I didn't want, she needs her earrings. And her stand is, or her base pedestal is a purple that's really pretty. It kind of matches the flowers that are embroidered on her dress. There we go. So she's got her earrings in. Oops. And there is her stand, hand-painted pedestal base stand. So cute. So yeah, I just want people to see and to know how much time, effort, work, detail goes into something like this. When you're doing it at home for yourselves, I mean, you have to have innovation and drive and passion and a love for what you're doing, because you're not really making a lot of money. You are putting a lot of work and time into something that you're doing because you love it and you love the experience of someone else enjoying and loving your dolls. So beautiful, beautiful. I'll put the information on how to contact him below. So if you want to place a custom order or to have a conversation with him about placing an order and prices and whatnot, you can do that. And I feel really honored to be able to do this and to bring these, you know, to other people's attention that maybe haven't seen them before. I feel there's just a handful of indie artists out there at the moment, and I feel like it's gonna grow. There's gonna be plenty more. However, I think that, you know, he's a queer artist like me, and I feel like it's very important to help support those artists that are doing this and trying to bring us something special. I mean, you know, just choosing not to buy 10 Mattel garbage products, sorry, and investing in an indie doll artist is, I mean, a really nice way to give back to your community, the doll community, help an artist. So I am here to do my best at showing these beautiful dolls that you might not know about. So thank you so much for listening, and I hope that you enjoyed the video, and I will be around soon. Bye.